Hey guys, thank you so much for watching my channel. My name is Vivian. Now today, by the way, this is Tigger. She's my 19-year-old grumpy little girl, but I love her. So today what we're going to go ahead and do is talk about the Clarisonic. Now this Clarisonic is the Mia 2. I've had mine since Christmas. I use it at least twice a day. And it is just a wonderful, wonderful tool. Now, the good thing also is that it actually also comes with a second brush head, which is the foundation brush. Now, what this one is good for is it's for bringing the foundation down your neck. Of course, I still also use my beauty blender as well, but these two combined, it's an amazing combination. So I've had it since Christmas. I again use it at least twice a day. Also, what I like about it is that you can also go ahead and very easily switch between the brush heads. See? And just like that, you can switch between the brush heads. You can also have your name inscribed in it as well, with little designs as well on it. Actually supposed to wash your face 6 times better than hands alone. The only thing is you cannot use anything abrasive with it. You're only supposed to really use cream cleansers with it because it is a little bit rough on the skin. If you do use anything that is abrasive with it, anything that is exfoliating or abrasive, so yes, it's just not really meant for that. It's meant to be more for use with cream cleansers, and it is a game changer when it comes to skin. So that's my review for the Clarisonic Mia 2. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember, give this video a thumbs up, and please remember to subscribe. Thank you so much.